Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. My name's Jason Miller, founder and CEO of the Strategic Advisor Board. And today we're going to discuss how real estate renovations are driving the market today. All right. A little bit of a different topic than we usually talk about, but I was asked to do some research on it. And here we go. So the bottom line is there was a lot of mass relocation and, massive increases in home values last year. Okay. The housing market faces a new trial. According to the National Association of Realtors, mortgage payments are 60% higher than they were just 1 year ago. Many home buyers that were waiting for, the pandemic housing market to cool before moving are likely staying put for longer. Okay. Mortgage rates for a 30-year fixed rate loan are now hovering above 7%, more than 4% higher than just a year ago. It's slashed the typical buyer's purchasing power by 14%. That's pretty big. So 21% of the business owners in the U.S. believe the housing market will be the greatest challenge this year. Okay. However, despite high mortgage rates, many customers are still in the housing market. Statista found millions of millennials are preparing to buy homes. Targeting marketing to this demographic can lead to opportunities from new home sales and from whatever it is that you're selling. The millennials are picking up steam again. Okay, high home ownership rate in the U.S. Was at 65.5% in 2021. Okay, design services or refreshing furnishings meet the needs of customers looking for a change of scenery. So if you're in those business models, you're probably going to be sitting pretty good. Consider partnerships with local realtors or welcome organizations. Okay, provide value-driven incentives for customers that may have spent more than they desired to on their home, but still need the furnishings. This can entice them to, shop with you. So, Sarah, out there, I know you're a real estate agent. Thanks for the question. And that's kind of some of the things I dug up. And the important thing is, go get it. Go do those JV partnerships, so on and so forth in your niche. And really couple together, because I believe you had a designing service as well. So that's kind of what this dose was around. But it applies to all. The market's shifting and changing constantly. It's up to us to figure out the strategy to move forward and continue to thrive. Hopefully today's daily dose was enlightening for you. And as always, smash the like button. Give us a comment if you want us to do a specific dose for you on a question that you have. Feel free to put it in the comments and we will absolutely do so. As always, you can reach out to me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. We will see you on tomorrow's dose.